How to install Feit Electric app. So just tap get and then double click to install it. You'll be able to get it. So yeah, control and manage your Feit Electric LED smart bulbs from anywhere with this helpful app. Easily turn lights on, off, dim, set groups, timers or schedules, customize color or tune color and temperature. A feature is supported by the bulb. Bulbs also work with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and can be controlled with simple voice commands. Setup is simple. The bulbs connect directly to your Wi-Fi at home. So just purchase your Feit Electric smart LED bulb, download the app and get started. So super cool app, easy to get started. Just, smart bulbs where you can just use also with smart outlet like plugs, some backyard things. Also it connects with Hey Google, with Alexa, and then you can change different temperature, different brightness, yeah, and then add schedule. So quite advanced app. Then here you can just go and just install it, then create an account easily. You can also just create an account with Apple ID from here. And then go to app, then enable Bluetooth, and then just add your device. And from here you can create groups of devices. You can add scenes, manage scenes from here. You can have your own profile. Yep, so that's the idea. Try it out.